Nara lagi na dia.
Kuan. Ano yung kuan? Ang ihusira niya.
Kuan mo.
Bisa dito, Bi. Dali, dali. Asa mo tikian? Ama tikian ba? Dali. Dali, dali. Shortsa. Benak ka na, narik ka na.
English y Spanish.
Spanish.
El primero, el quinto es gay. Spanish.
English.
Luego, more first is gay.
Wala na, oy.
Annyeonghaseyo students.
안녕하세요.
Okay, you may start brushing your teeth now. Good evening, students.
Good evening, Teacher Lacelle.
Okay, let's have an exercises for the part of speech. Identifying what part of speech. Number 1. The brave fighter rescued the cat. The brave fighter rescued the cat. The word is brave. Number 2. She writes novels in her free time. She writes novels in her free time. The word is writes. Number 3. The car moved slowly down the street. The car move slowly down the street. The word slowly. Number 4. Wisdom is more valuable than riches. Wisdom is more valuable than riches. The word is wisdom. Number 5. They will travel to Spain next summer. They will travel to Spain next summer. The word is travel. Before the show starts, let's grab a snack. The word is before.
Students, for this evening, our topic is all about...
Preposition and conjunction.
Okay, so when we say preposition, what is the meaning?
To show place, size, direction, and a sentence.
How about conjunction?
Join words or groups of words in a sentence.
Okay, so as you can see here below, na yung mga words nga atong gishuffle. And you're going to determine if preposition ba siya or conjunction. Okay, si Sofia, ang mo answer sa first. Sa number 1, ikaw Sofia, magpili ka sa ubos, asa ang preposition o asa ang conjunction. Okay, very good. So, unsa na nga word?
Below.
Okay, below. So, pikas. Sa conjunction, magpili og usa ka word. Okay, very good. So, next. Okay, Eliza, it's your turn. Ikaw ang number 2. Answer sa number 2 sa preposition and usapod ka word para sa conjunction. Okay, you write on the board. Okay, Eliza, please answer. Magpili ka dira sa ubos. Unsa man ang preposition o unsa man ang conjunction. Okay, very good. On. Okay, if manakag answer, i-erase na ang napilian nimo sa ubos. Ana, very good. So, adto na tag ka sa conjunction. Very good. Yet. Okay, so i-erase ang yet. Okay, good job. So, you will answer number 5. For the preposition and conjunction. So, determine. So, what? Asa man na belong. Ang naa sa word sa ubos. Okay. So, right. Very good. Then, sa conjunction. Okay. Very good. Okay. So, i-erase na. I-erase. Na. Okay, next student. Okay, Junmark, please answer number 6. No, dili so. Kay so is connecting words man na siya. Okay, very good. From. So, i-erase ang from. And how about sa conjunction? Okay, since. Very good. I-erase ang since sa ubos. Okay, next. Okay, Ellie. So, you will answer for the remaining. So, asa man nato ibutang ang so, asa ang and, therefore, ug or. Asa nato ibutang sa? Very good. Basaha. Unsa na siya nabilong sa? Conjunction. Again? Okay, i-write da, i-write. Oh, i-write. Okay, good. How about katong uban? Ang tanan, isuwat na ang tanan. Okay, so ara na to sila tanan ibutang because conjunction sila or words or group of students. Okay, so for this evening, our topic here is all about the topic. Okay, so as you can see, we have here simile, metaphor, and personification. So I already discussed each of the following. Unsa iyang definition, unsa iyang usage. So as for now, our activity is you will use your magnetic board to determine if simile ba siya, metaphor ba siya, or personification. So I will erase the writing on the board para mas ma-practice mo if naka-familiarize ba unsa ang usage ato nila. Okay, so are you ready? Yes. Okay, so wait. Ako sang itarong ang ako ang camera. Okay, students, for question number 1. This figure of speech uses like, as, or resembles. Okay, so partner mo, Prince and Jacob, and Algin og si Jed, my partner. Pag-share mo dira, pag tinabangay. So, kinsa may mana, erase na inyong answer. Okay, very good. So, the correct answer is?
Simile.
Okay, simile. How about you, Joanna? Ay mo answer. Okay, erase imong answer. For question number 2. It compares